Alright, hey guys, welcome again to Fire Alarms and Such, and today we are unboxing the 17 pounds of fire alarms. This is a big lot of fire alarms. Some of it I'm keeping, some of it I'm selling, so go to the link below in the description to go to my eBay account, and hopefully by the time you're seeing this, I'll have some of the stuff up. Let's dive right in. Alright, so first off, when we open up the box, got some cardboard, some foam, and a Spectre Alert Classic. Yeah. And it's 24 volt, so I can use it. Spectre Alert Classic. What else we got in here? We got a Spectre Alert Classic remote horn. .24 volt. Got a system sensor 5600 heat detector, again 24 volt, I can use it. A Firelight BG12 conventional with hex lock, so I can use it. I don't have one of those. None of the stuff I have. We got a GE photoelectric smoke detector. It's an ESL 500 series. So it's most likely like the ones I already, it's the ones I already have. Just these ones are licensed under GE, so I'll probably keep a couple of those too. Another Spectre Alert horn. Another Spectre Alert horn. Another system sensor heat detector. System sensor heat detector. This is one I'm kind of excited about. An OS&Y sprinkler switch. Whew, it is big. This is an outside stem and yoke supervisory switch. I will be doing a video later about what this is and how it works, but you'll see. Set that to the side. Spectre Alert horn. Spectre Alert horn. Spectre Alert horn. Spectre Alert horn. I think that's it for all the horns. Oh, another GE smoke detector. Spectre Alert horn. Spectre Alert horn. Spectre Alert Advanced P2R horn strobe. Let's see how that looks. 2-wire model, standard candela. So we got that too. Another BG12. Another BG12. And the rest is the system sensor heat detectors, and there's still 4 more in the box. So, that's a lot of stuff. Alright guys, so this is the entire lot. I got a Spectre Alert Advance, a System Sensor Classic H1224K outdoor horn, a System Sensor Classic horn strobe, System Sensor H1224 horns. I will be keeping everything on the top row. I'll be keeping 2 of those and selling the rest. 3 BG12s, I will be keeping all those. 2 GE 521Bs, I'll be keeping both of those. 11 System Sensor 5600 heat detector, I will be keeping 3 and tripping one of them on its non-resettable function. And 1 OS&Y supervisory valve switch. So, that is the whole everything. Go to my eBay channel, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my brother, who is currently trying to be an attention hog. That's him you hear. Thank you, my brother, for organizing this. He wanted to shout out. His channel is Baseball Monkey 1. So, thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day.